is Ashika Girl. Let's have a look at this problem. The angles of a triangle are an arithmetic progression. If one of the angles is 100, what are the other two angles? So I'm going to take the three angles as A minus D, A, and A plus D. If we know the three angles of a triangle all sum up to 180. So A minus D plus A plus A plus D equals 180. The negative D and plus D gets cancelled. So the equation becomes 3A equals 180. So that makes A equals to 60. So now we know that one of the angles is 100. So 6A, which will take us 60, plus D equals to 100. We know it's a plus D since 60 isn't 100 and it's not greater than 100. So that means D equals to 40. Here, this means 60 minus 40 equals 20. This one is just 60 and this one is 60 plus 40, which equals to 100. So the three sides of a triangle is 100, 20, and 60. That's the answer. Now bye!